care and use of the Desco VersaTool is presented by Desco Manufacturing Company. Part 2 of 4, Description and Operation. In this section, we will provide a description of the Desco VersaTool with examples of what it is most commonly used for. The VersaTool is a handheld power tool used to clean surfaces. The primary uses are to remove rust, corrosion, or paint without damaging the surface. The abrasive is an open web material impregnated with silicon carbide, which is formed into a 1-inch by 7-inch wheel. The material resembles random strands of coarse thread. The VersaTool requires compressed air to be delivered at 90 pounds per square inch and consumes 18 cubic feet per minute. The Desco VersaTool removes paint and corrosion without removing substrate material. A good example of this is removing paint from an empty Coke can without damaging the flimsy aluminum. Changing abrasive wheels on the Desco VersaTool is a simple and quick procedure. You will need a clean work area and 2 wrenches which are supplied with the tool. One to lock the motor and the other to loosen the bolt that secures the wheel. Always disconnect the tool from power when performing maintenance or inspection operations. Lock the spindle using the provided flat wrench. Remove the securing bolt with a second wrench while holding the spindle locked with the first wrench. Remove the flange which holds the BPH abrasive in place. Remove the old BPH wheel and install the new wheel. Reassemble the tool by reversing the disassembly procedure.
Now I'll be just demonstrating on how to change the consumables on the VersaTool. Put one end of the wrench on the shaft extension there. Then the 9/16 end on this end. And the recess washer slides right off. Remove the flanges. Take your new BPH, install them. Reinstall the recess washer and screw. Tighten.
Before operating the VersaTool, there are setup steps that should be taken to ensure safe and reliable operation. Safety measures are in place. You have considered the job site and task at hand and put into place safety measures that are situation appropriate. See the safety video for more information on safety practices. The compressed air power supply is in place. This includes all components necessary to deliver clean, dry air from a compressor to your tool at your job site at the required pressure and volume. See the air supply video for more information on air delivery. You inspect the tool to ensure it is ready to use. For example, the abrasive is properly installed and the throttle valve is functioning properly. Observing best practices while operating the VersaTool promotes safety and efficiency. Hold the VersaTool firmly with both hands. One hand on the handle and the other hand on the motor. Apply the tool to the work surface as follows. Ensure the tool is not in contact with the surface when starting the motor. Hold the tool so that the side of the wheel is at a 90-degree angle to the work surface. Start the tool by pulling the throttle lever. Use enough hold-down pressure to maintain control of the tool and no more. Let the tool do the work. To stop working, remove the tool from the work surface and stop the tool. Be sure not to stop the motor while engaged with the work surface, and be sure that rotation has stopped before placing the tool on the deck. To start the tool, release the double safety lock-off lever and pull the throttle valve. The double safety lock-off lever is a safety feature designed to prevent accidentally starting the tool. It works by requiring 2 steps to start the tool rather than a single step. To stop the tool, release the throttle valve. Move the tool in a forward to aft motion using a grid pattern where each stroke overlaps the last. The stroke length should be relative to your arm's reach and comfortable so that you can be in complete control for the entire stroke length. Keep the tool moving at all times. Thank you and have a fine Navy day.